In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find fixer-upper homes on Redfin. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Redfin's built-in tools to surface properties that need a little TLC, which can be great opportunities for investors or handy homeowners. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Redfin. You can type Redfin directly into your address bar or use your favorite search engine. When the results appear, look for the official Redfin website. It should be clearly labeled and typically shows as redfin.com. Click that link to head to the home page. Once you're on Redfin, click the Join or Sign In option, usually found at the top right. Logging in isn't strictly required to browse, but it lets you save searches and quickly revisit your filters later. Use your existing account or create one if you prefer. Next, use the main search bar to enter your target location. Type the city, a specific neighborhood, or a zip code, whatever area you're exploring. Redfin will suggest results as you type. Select the one that matches, and the map and list view will load homes in that area. Now look for the filters icon. It's the small sliders graphic in the upper right corner of the map view. Click it to open the full filter menu. You'll see lots of options for price, beds, baths, and more. For this method, we're going to focus on a single, powerful field. Scroll all the way to the very bottom of the filter menu until you find the input labeled keywords. This section lets you search the listing remarks for specific phrases, which is perfect for finding homes that need work. In the keywords box, type terms that commonly indicate a fixer-upper. Good examples include TLC, fixer-upper, needs work, and as is. You can add more than one by separating them with spaces or commas, and you can try variations like fixer-upper or needs TLC if you want to cast a wider net. Keep it simple and avoid extra punctuation that might confuse the search. When you're ready, click See Matches or apply to update your results. The map and list will refresh to show properties where those keywords appear in the listing description. From here, you can skim photos and read summaries to confirm the level of work needed. If you're not seeing enough options, reopen filters, tweak your keywords, or broaden your area. That's it. An easy, reliable way to uncover potential project homes on Redfin. Try a few keyword combinations, and you'll quickly get a feel for which phrases work best in your market. Happy house hunting!